Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Sokbar village. I came here and I will make some vlog for you guys. I hope you will like this vlog and don't forget to like. Okay, let's see there. Let's see the view. Okay, and we will look the water and this bridge. You see this bridge. We'll look this bridge. Okay. Do you see this water here? Look. See the water. Umpat you. Okay. See. The fishing there, and the water is so clear in this Sokbar village. See. See, make a bite. Okay guys, See, there is a bridge, big bridge there. See, there is some fish, they jump there. Woohoo! Now we will go and kata you like thulengi, you like keliling mah. You keli. They like lam jota stop. Now here we are boating here. See the clear of the water and Mamjai. See guys. Yeah, belanja kita. Pergi luar kan. See guys. See. See water. Ngai mai luar you am. Aku nggak terlihat kaya tadi. See, there is a bridge. And this is a boat. Alhamdulillah gini. Beki damu maru. See guys, see guys. See. Climate. See. See guys. Now we are boating now here, guys. See, there is a bridge and I hope you like it. We are coming up. We will go on the bus, guys. We will go to the next park. That is Tangerang Park. Yes, let's see. We have to go with this Rasta. That's the end of this vlog on park. Okay guys, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and I hope you will support me every time. Okay, thank you.